is day 5 and we're on the Upper East Side. I'm really loving this place. I'm just kind of annoyed at the food trucks because they ruin every single one of my pictures. And I'm obsessed with the greenery and the buildings. Look at that house. My hands are freezing cold, but there's not much I can do. It is actually way colder here than it is in Sweden at the moment. Usually the temperature in Sweden during winter starts about like -10 degrees Celsius. And it's literally -10 degrees Celsius here. My sister decides to remain anonymous. Okay, so I'm literally obsessed with this style. And all of these houses, they're immaculate, incredible, and everything I love. So I decided to take some pictures over there just for memories. My dad's way ahead. I don't know where he's heading at, but I'll just follow him. Look at this golden. Everything's perfect here, literally. Kind of want to move here. That could be the ultimate goal, or at least own some kind of property here so that I have the option to just fly down here whenever I can.
Ska vi åka till xoxo och äta eller?
Om ni vill.
Eller ska vi äta?
We're deciding on what we want to eat, and we have eaten a lot of Mexican food. I kind of want Chipotle. I also want Shake Shack or Chick-fil-A. Just for a quick little lunch, because we're going out to eat for dinner. Look how cool it is. We're at this pizza place, and I ordered a slice of Hawaii pizza. So we're at the Met. And it's crazy to think that Blake Lively and Leighton Meester, they've been here. We were filming Oscar. It's really crowded here, but we managed to get some pictures. We're inside. Guys, we're at Target. We just like to call it Target. We're buying stuff to take home. I'm also buying some stuff for my friends. Yeah, I've been craving flaming hot Cheetos and regular Cheetos like crazy. I kind of want some goldfish.
Curious?
Okay, so we're in Sephora. So I bought the Tower 28 concealer and the Say Super Glowy gel and Sunglow. And my sister bought the Summer Fridays lip balm. So I'm shopping for clothes. The Grateful. This is day 2 and we're on our way to an outlet, but we just stopped at this like scenery thing. Look at this. Okay, we're at the Woodbury Common outlet and I'm really hungry, so we're at Cinnabon. Here's the center of the roll. Big and Voltaire, and I found this really cute sweatshirt, which I think I'm gonna try on because I'm obsessed with this store and I really like the color. Look at this one. Okay, so I bought them. My family kind of ran off without me. No, I'm just kidding. They're right in front of me. However, yeah, I just wanted to take a few pictures inside, and it's snowing, which is quite shocking actually. Okay, so we're in Cleveland. Look at these vibes. I've literally married Ralph Lauren girl since the day I was born. I'm not even exaggerating. Okay, so we'll be trying on a flag sweater, but it isn't your typical flag sweater. This is how it looks like on. I'm really loving it. Got a lot of things from Ralph Lauren. And now we're going to Kendall Scott. I'm looking for a pair of earrings. These ones are for Kendall Scott. I really want these ones, those ones, or Okay, I bought a pair of earrings at Undercott, and right now we're inside of Lululemon. My favorite store ever. Okay, so we're at Taco Bell for a quick little snack or lunch because we haven't eaten lunch, and it's literally 3 o'clock and we have been at since 6 a.m. So here's the Baja Blast. So that was supposedly the regular size. And it tastes like Fanta lemon. Here's the soft taco supreme. This was actually pretty nice. We're at the Cheesecake Factory, guys. Here's the bread. We rediscovered a piece of our childhood. Monster High dolls. This was my sister's favorite. They're a bit creepy. My personal favorite was Clear Now. My sister says she wants a storage room full of these knives. Should I be worried for her? Should I send her to therapy or something? Just kidding. He's obviously joking. I'm a little bit sad because my sisters don't want to be in my vlog, and they're actually really funny. I'm really tired. I should have brought my tripod with me. I really have to clean my phone because I know my phone carries a lot of germs. Yeah, here's the fit check. My jacket is from $311. My jeans are from Levi. Shoes are New Balance. No idea where my hat is from. I'm really tired and I'm really full from the food today. I really want to buy some crumble cookies because we're here for about a week. However, we're here for 2 crumble cookie weeks, which means that we could try a bunch of new flavors, which I really want to do. And I'm also going to bring home some crumble cookies for my best friend and some for myself. That sweater would really suit my sister. So we're just walking to our car where we're gonna go to Jersey, or I don't know what the specific place is called, or in the neighborhood. And Christmas houses. Yay! So we're walking among these Christmas decorated streets, which is actually they went all out.